Welcome to HVM Tech. Today's new video. AirPods Pro 2 feature heart rate monitoring, hiring around it 24 on. It is 2022. AirPods and Pro 2 are incoming soon. Today's a new coming soon today. A new leak bring us few details about them, along with bunch of readers. The AirPods Pro 2 come with a new system in packing sub 4 HP1 chip with supported adaptive active noise challenge. The new chip bring better performance and improve compact to higher interaction in the better manufacturing technologies. They also an improved front manufacturing as well as a new feature like heart rate movement and hearting air mode of use. This case come with USB-C ports and has optimization fast charging. As you can see, improves in the similar of AirPods Pro and also AirPods and give very clearly belong of the some family. The system of the AirPods Pro 2 have the some purchase sensor buttons is the province generated. The AirPods Pro 2 many also be available and monitor temperature by using the heart rate sensors, but is not clearly whether temperature movement will indicate be available. The hiring hiring movements and conducted work conjuncted with the new cases which is microphone and can translate what is heard in the earphone sound adjustment, and this also speaker in the case which can play sound when to engine the fund by conducted and thus listing your more easy location the cases. In terms of ideas can incorporate expert comfort of customized high amplitude drive until and high remote range split with automatically adapter EQ selected ideas for heart tracking, idea sharing, and tripod. This iPhone 13 Pro Max with high quality adapter and the fast charging. The earphone system is a genuine missions in the completed forexer and the forever in terms of idea we in approved expert complexion and a customized high improved drive until and high dynamic range improved with an automatically adapter EQ special IDO for head tracking and audio sharing. AirPods Pro hardening feature in the freight moment hiring add fundation. The AirPods which come with a new system package for H1 chip which supported adapter and challenged the new sub bring in the battery performing and improve power technology manufacturing and manufacturing process and audio microphones. This also an improved fund action as well as new feature like heart range movement for other and critical adapter located and to when is the cave box and the details for agree and the movement rate to airport and sublation fast and adapter fast 35 watts charging adapter to unclip and high rate movement driving ask at them under fast technology fast chargers like subscribe and press the bell icon for latest mission updates. Thanks for watching.